Hi friends, welcome to the demo of app WorldWatch. We designed this app to help you stay updated with latest news. So the basic concept of the app is you have to create an account, you have to log in, and then based on your search history, the app will look for the articles around the web. As soon as it will find a new article, it will send a push notification to you to read those articles. On opening the push notification, you will only see the new articles. So let's start the demo. First, we have to create a new account. After creating the new account, you will be logged into app. Since it's a new account, you will see the message that there is no search history. Please do some searches and then it will create a search history for you. So let's say I want to search for baseball. As soon as you will do the search, it will fetch all the news related to baseball. Now the main activity will always show the results for all the searches on your search history. So now if we search for tennis, in the search you will see the results related to tennis, but in the main page you will see the mixed results of baseball as well as tennis. If you try to go to your search history, you can see that you searched for baseball and tennis. Right now we are maintaining last 5 searches that user will do. To read a particular article, you can click on the article and you can read the whole article right inside the app. Then you can go back. To add an article to favorites, all you have to do is click on the article and long press and the article will be added to favorite. To view your favorite articles, click on options, go to favorites, and here are your favorite articles. To read an article, click on the article, you can read the article, and then you can long press and delete those articles. Now about the push notification. Normally the background service will check for latest news on every 1 hour, but it's kind of boring to install the app and sit for an hour for testing the push notification. So in order to test push notifications, I created a hook in the web service, and that web service will use the same push logic, but you can actually push a search keyword. In order to send push via web service, you have to enter the URL of the web service, then the email address at which you want to push something. Then you have to write send push, this is the command, and then you can put the search keyword. The limitation of this method is you can put only one search keyword. So now let's say you want to search for the swimming. As soon as I will send this request to the web service, we can see that there is a push notification we received. And when we will select this push notification, it will go and it will show us all the latest news related to swimming. We designed this app in 3 separate parts. One part is the Android app, the second part is the web service which will receive the search requests and send the push requests, and third part is the cron or a background daemon task which will run on every 1 hour and look for new latest articles. As soon as it will find the new latest articles, it will send the push to our app and our app will receive those push notifications and open the articles for that. Thank you.